Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a tasty milkshake at home. Start by selecting your core ingredients. For a truly delicious milkshake, always opt for premium, full-fat ice cream. It provides the richest flavor and creamiest consistency. You'll also need about 1 cup of your favorite milk, whether that's whole milk for extra richness or a plant-based option. Don't forget your chosen flavorings, like chocolate syrup or fresh fruit, to personalize your treat. Achieving the perfect consistency is key. Begin by pouring about 1 cup of milk into your blender, followed by 2 to 3 scoops of ice cream. If you're using liquid flavorings, add them next. Start blending on a low speed for about 15 seconds to break down the ice cream, then increase to a medium-high speed for another 30 to 45 seconds until the mixture is completely smooth and thick. Now for the fun part, customizing your flavor. You can add fresh berries, a tablespoon of peanut butter, or a teaspoon of vanilla extract for different profiles. For an indulgent treat, blend in a few crushed cookies or a handful of chocolate chips. A tiny pinch of salt, about 1/8 of a teaspoon, can surprisingly elevate the sweetness and depth of your milkshake, making it even more irresistible. Once your milkshake is perfectly blended, pour it into a tall, chilled glass right away to maintain its frosty temperature. For an extra special touch, top it with a generous swirl of whipped cream, a bright red cherry, or a drizzle of chocolate sauce. Don't forget a wide straw, as it makes sipping your thick, creamy, homemade milkshake an absolute delight. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.